everyone, my name is Ansh Talreja from Colortek India, from Material Connection, from Veda Realty. And what I have over here in front of us today is a nice visual presentation for you guys, wherein I'm showing you all the different kinds of products that we carry. We're showing different solid woods that we have to offer. We're showing different wood veneers that we have to offer, which come under Material Connection. Then with Colortek, we've got different paints and coatings. So we've got different seamless and jointless concrete coatings over here. We've got different metallic paints with Baca. We've got concrete finishes with Neo Cement. We've got matte and sparkle finishes with Akasan right over here right now. We've got liquid granite coatings with the product called Ediso also over here to show you guys. We've got respiratory safe paints which are recommended for each and every one of your houses. The exterior render coatings. So these are for the external facades. Got various finishes inside exterior render also here to show you guys. And then we get one of my personal favorites, which is the oxide rustic coating. So this is real metal and actual rustic effects. So like coppers, irons, bronze, any different metallic coating on any different surface that you need, we can do that for you. Thank you so much and stay tuned for more.